Hello and welcome to my channel and my kitchen. So glad you could make it. Today, we're making lavash bread together. Let's mix this up right away. Into my bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of water. This is going to be a quick and easy recipe. A delicious recipe you can whip up for breakfast. Now, I'm adding 2 cups of flour to this. Adding my salt. I'm going with about half a teaspoon of salt, but you can totally adjust to your taste. Feel free to make it your own. Now, I'm going to mix this beautifully until it's super smooth. Just like this. Okay, I've mixed my batter until it's completely smooth. See, it's got this lovely, pourable consistency. The exact amount of flour might vary depending on its quality. All right, let's head over to the stove. Let's get our pan heated up. As you can see, I've added just a tiny bit of oil. And I'm just going to spread it all over the surface with a paper towel, wiping off any excess. Look, I have a small ladle here. I'm going to take 1 ladleful and pour it right into my pan. And then I'll spread it out quickly. You can make these super thin or a bit thicker. Honestly, they turn out amazing. This is a fantastic lavash you can make without needing to knead dough. See, the edges are starting to dry. Once the center is cooked, we'll flip it over. My lavash is cooked. Flipping it over. Keep your stove on medium heat. Look how beautifully it's puffing up, almost like a yeast dough. I've cooked all my lavash, flipping them back and forth. I'm taking this one off the pan and adding the next one. And spreading it evenly in the pan. So there you have it, folks. My lavash is ready. And look how wonderfully soft they are. You can enjoy these with any of your favorite breakfast items. Enjoy your meal to everyone who tries this. See you next time and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm really looking forward to your likes and comments. Take care, everyone.